Thompson Kennels. Alright, I shot a video earlier for you guys. This is a better one. This is 2 days, they're 2 days old now. This is the Indian BolioxChinamanxJeepxRedboyrascal litter. As you can see, all of the brown ones are females, the brindle ones are males. That's Spook. She's doing great. She's a great mother. I mean, I couldn't be any more happier how she's taking care of these puppies. I mean, alert, everything. And we look like we got some nice colors. I got a couple of red noses, a couple of brindles. I got one that kind of reminds me of one of them old Crenshaw dogs in there. The brown body with the black muzzle. You can kind of see her right there closest to Spook. That's a female. Like I said, anybody who hit me up for dogs, you can hit me up at 843-640-1792. And that's 843-640-1792. I'm just trying to get a good view of these. Normally I get a lot of better close-ups of the puppies, but Spook this is her first litter, and she's been really anxious, and I don't want to get bit. So this is the Thompson Kennels litter, 2013. This is what we coming out with. I'm going to probably be keeping a female, and like I said, the rest of these are for sale. So if you got the other video, I'll repeat it again. I got 5 females, 3 males off this litter. 5 females, 3 males. And I'm tired. I've been working with school. Just wanted to give you guys a good little update. They're all doing fine. They're happy, big, healthy. And you can hit me up at 843-640-1792. Y'all guys have a good day. Thompson Kennels. See ya.